welcome.
Tatiana.
Tatiana.
Yeah.
No, my flowers are so cute.
Done. What bow do you want?
Pink one.
Okay.
No, red. Choose
Font style and...
no, I'll choose green.
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 I feel like those some because it goes...
No, green. Green.
And we'll go pink here, I guess.
Yeah.
And just done. Take a picture.
Ah, it's so cute.
Okay. No.
Oh! Ava! I'm packing the fridge. Pack the fridge with me.
Yeah!
When
I'm going to win. I have to.
we don't
The sun.
It's shining so bright.
Put it on my spongo, you'll see the moon.
Yeah? Ay. We're coming. Walking on my bestie.
A day in the life of Soweto. She even drove around.
Willing. Cause yeah,
And now she starts recording. Hi.
hello family. Perm. Yeah. Yes. Tissue crew. We keep them fed. Period. Like, you know what I'm saying? We're cooking up the meals. We're being photographers of the family, busy taking family pictures.
While she's busy being a photographer, I've been walking around finding plastic.
The photographer of the family.
And stuff. I'm the original. Although she's older, I'm the original.
Okay, he's my personal photographer. And then I'm his personal photographer.
She takes cat photos.
You're the one that takes cat photos.
Compared to my photos versus your photos, yours are cat. I'm not joking. Yours are cat.
It's for obvious.
I've been supporting them since day one.
Obvious.
Since day one.
What? Yes. What? Yeah.
Look how short I am. But we're stuck together, Moss.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death. God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh. That's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone. Told me I'm someone. Told me I'm someone. Told me I'm. Told me I'm. Told me I'm someone. Told me I'm someone. Know that I'm someone. No, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Golly way. Close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Golly way. Close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel it.
Hey Anas, so this is my outro. This is where I'm going to be leaving the vlog. Tune in to see the next vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends to tell a friend, and follow me on all my socials, Instagram, TikTok, and here. Subscribe, and yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. See you next time.